Hey everybody, this is Daryl at Hudson'sCustomMachining.com, and here we are with this Eck Fan motor again. I've got a couple of previous videos where we show this rotor here. This rotor had been turned down at some time, and somebody put this sleeve on there to try to build it back up to the size that it was supposed to be. That's tight, I can't get it off with my hand, but this is just a sleeve that somebody made, pressed on there. This is where I cut that shaft off. So here's what we're left with. And I went to press this out in the press, and we've got this coming out of here. So you can see where I cut that off right there. There's that pin where I pressed that pin out. That pin's what was holding it in here, and you couldn't get it out either way because there's a pin on the back side back here too. Right there. You see that pin right there that holds this collar on. So that was keeping that shaft from going either way within this rotor right here. So we cut this off just to get it out of there. So now what I'll have to do is go to the lathe with a new piece of bar stock and turn this to press into the rotor, and then we'll have to turn all these different diameters back here. There's a shoulder here for your thrust washers to go up on, and then this is the bearing journal part of the shaft here, and of course this here got to go on there a little bit further, but this goes on up to here, and this is not right. This is something somebody did. They modified it sometime back years ago. Don't have any idea when or who, but the front end of this shaft will go from this diameter where your thrust washers are going to go up against this shoulder, and then it'll be this diameter here all the way out to the end, and I'll machine a little flat here for the blade set screw to go on. Okay, that's all for now. This is an ongoing project, and I sort of took this on as a challenge. So we'll see what happens. Y'all stay tuned, all right?